to us, we experience every single night. And when we get into the deep sleep, we are in the space of frequency. We are not in the materialistic world that we can describe with the mind. Mind cannot understand the state. That is why only when we come back from that state, we are able to describe the state, but we are not in the state, we can describe the state. Bhagavan beautifully says, it is a different frequency what happens when we go into the deep sleep. How we experience the death and the birth cycle. Same way, this is a small death that we are given a glimpse, how it exists. But beyond the death and birth, the consciousness is real. Because we exist even in the deep sleep without the state of the mind or state of the body, we exist in the superconscious space as Paramashiva, as consciousness. And that is real. That is the reason why we come back to our body and experience through the five senses. As long as we have the desire, we come back to the body and experiences all these desires, fears, greed, all the incompletions that we carry. And here beautifully he says, when you remove all that we know of the object, if an object rose, you remove all the impression on it, thoughts on it, knowledge on it, and everything, then what is there in the rose? It is just a frequency. It is also presented as a rose, as a physical reality. But in the frequency level, everything is connected to you and you are connected to everything. How you're connected with your hands and legs and everything, same way you're connected to everything. That string theory now proves it, that how it happens. When you have the cognitive shift, then the neural plasticity that happens in your brain, when you break from your pattern and cognize that Paramashiva is real and understand not just the materialistic world, you also exist as frequency, as quantum, as the higher dimensions, as observer, awareness, witness, to witness how Paramashiva is happening in this body and celebrating himself. When we are in deep completion, we recognize the pure space of oneness. All that we need to do is drop all the identities that we carry. Simply we will merge into Paramashiva's space and extremely experience that space of oneness, manifesting all the powers of Paramashiva.